Steelers won the Super Bowl? That's crazy. Josh Allen MVP. Maury St. Brown Player of the Year. I don't think any of these players are worth signing unless if they're... Nah, that's too expensive. I don't know if I want to draft a quarterback or sign one. Yeah, none of these guys are worth signing in my opinion. I do not like any of these guys. Yeah, I'm not signing any of them. I have 134 mil, which is insanely good. Man, there's nobody that's exciting for free agency. Wes Watkins is 27. That's insane. I'm going to give him a 3-year contract. 81. It's not bad. I might sign him. Star factor. Give him a 1 year. 91 speed, the age of 27. I like this guy. Let's try and get him. I'll sign Justin Simmons if I can. We got Quez and Richards. Oh, he went to Dallas? What a scumbag. I want to give this guy a lot of money. He's only 27. Let's do that. Overpay him a little. Have to give him more money. The Bears is beating us. Let's do like 13 mil should be good. I'm not going higher. Might sign Jonathan Jones. Might be a good signing. To the Giants? Fuck. These are all the people I signed. It's not too bad. I wanted to save my money, so this will work out. I have the first round draft pick, which is good. I don't need to trade up for it, but maybe I could try and trade up for 2 first round picks. I'm glad that worked. Our team's going to be stacked. Thinking about drafting a quarterback since we just traded ours. This is the 2025. Yeah, Jalen Daniels or Shedeur Sanders would be interesting. I'm going to go with Shedeur Sanders. See his stats. 85 speed, 99 throw power, I'll take it. And I think I'm going to go for a running back. Ooh, or this guy. I already have a good amount of receivers. They don't have any good halfbacks in this draft. That's a shame. Good look real quick. Or I could draft 2 quarterbacks and trade one for a halfback. That could work too. Or trade this receiver. I'll drop this receiver and see what he's got. Man, he's really good. Nah, I probably will keep him. Got Shedeur Sanders and Amico, which is fire. The rest were mid. I didn't really draft them, I just simmed them. 83 overall and 82, that's awesome. Yeah, we definitely got the best players, which would make sense. I adjusted the roster. Picked up some people in free agency that I think would be a good fit for the team. Got good receivers. I think this squad's going to be nice. Good guards, I guess, considering that they're old. This is all what I got here. But I'll probably be doing this for a few years. Build up some young rookies as I can. The quarterback, wide receiver, and halfback position's the position that I'll be looking at the most. Corners and slots. Corners are going to be very important. Slot safeties. Anything with slots I like too, so that's why I signed fast guys as well. And I have Quez Watkins as my kick returner, which he's a good kick returner. So this squad is looking fire.
Now the kicker, Brandon McManus, about ready to get us started.
I did not do that right.
And they'll move it up to the 40.
That's insane.
Go ahead and accept the penalty.
Gives us a challenge, I guess. I'll take it.
Baker gonna give it to Irving.
Oh my god. Okay, good.
From the gun,
Get that. Fuck, man.
It's caught moment. The first throw of the new season. He's dreamed about it, thought of it.
And now it brings up 3rd down. Here. So as they talk it over, we step aside. Once again, it's Irving. And he's going to
already an injury? That's crazy.
That'll leave yards to gain the first here. Mayfield off the play fake.
That guy sucked. Damn.
Caught. On 1st and 10, here's Irving. Throwing, Mayfield.
Get that, let's go.
This is going to be intercepted. Picked off by Alex Singleton.
I like going for slants.
No doubt in my mind that even he's
giving it right to Douglas if I can.
But we know this guy. It's not going to stop him from continuing to fire as this game goes along. Probably give a little
good try.
And it's 2nd down.
Good play, Gilliard.
They'll look to throw here on first down.
What? He was standing still. Why'd he throw it like that?
Get tough. That's only going to help your defense.
Yeah, he sensed being hurried. He
Good
got rid of
catch.
it. They'll set up to throw. Buying time to his left.
Throw it out.
First down. Now they have to gear up, try and get 2 more stops, and escape this drive. Your first start away from home, so you don't have the extra pressure.
Throw it. What the fuck was that?
For their team's first sack of the game.
Why is it not working?
it's a
Oh
wobbler
my
here.
god.
And this time out, they threw the interception on their first drive.
Change when all of a sudden, you know, it goes against their offense and have to run out in the field and try to.
Mayfield now.
I'm gonna try and run the ball a little more. This guy does have a good speed, and they swapped out my halfback. I hate when Madden does that shit.
Again with a 1st and 10.
They're pretty close to staying on schedule on offense. The play.
My fucking team is garbage.
And then rumbling it into the end zone for 6. Oh, a good return up past the 30.
Come on.
Past midfield.
That was so good. I set my kick return to Quez Watkins. I don't know why Madden does this.
Guys have such an influence on every game. The unsung heroes, remember, they have their own meetings, their own practice time.
Good catch.
They're going to look to throw. Flushed out right. Throw right side, going to be taken in
Nice
by
job,
Henry.
Hunter Henry. Ball for the 2 point.
Extra point away from evening this
Feeling
one
risky. I'm gonna try and give it to Douglas if I can.
up. They'll look to throw.
Yep, wide open,
And
perfect.
it's
That was a good return
And they
too.
gotta be- Here's Mayfield. And this,
But in this situation, the defense was effective, able to stop him.
I need
before he
guys who
could
can
get his team
tackle
going.
people.
Mayfield to throw it. Straight ahead, it's Irving. This is 3rd and 10. And there's a short one taken in by Otten. And he's now Mayfield.
Give him a quick chance to regroup and try and mount a sting.
They've got to find a way to bring those 2 elements together so they can make some progress in this one.
Mayfield looks to throw. Finding great opportunity to get that lead back before the break.
My fucking defense is killing me,
That's
man.
good move in the right direction. Akers, as they'll stop it with just over 40 seconds to go in the first half.
Good play.
First half, we'll see if they can move this at least into field goal range and
That
try
was
to
a
get
bad
3
play.
out of this drive.
I don't know why I did
To
that.
force it in, and it's intercepted. Picked up by Kaiser
That
White.
fucking sucks.
Begin the second half. What's going to be a key for them to get back in the game?
I think they're right there, and I think this game is still up for the
I'll try and run it
Those
more.
have to be eliminated. If they take care of the ball, they've still got a shot.
In that situation, I think that goes back to their practice and game planning.
That's not what I thought he was gonna do. I thought he was gonna keep running straight.
Picked up by Kaiser White. Inside the 2. They'll try and run it here.
It's that team a little bit disjointed.
Throwing middle, and it's complete. They'll look to throw.
My guys suck so bad.
3rd quarter. One back in the backfield, he'll get the carry.
Gary, it's still a tough 3rd down to pick up here.
Come on, Douglas.
Manageable after in there, and it winds up incomplete.
That's
Short
incomplete,
pass
of
caught
course
by
it is.
Henry. They'll try and start this drive in the air.
And that one's incomplete.
Going again.
Mayfield from the gun on 3rd down. Over the middle, he going to the air again with Mayfield. To throw, Mayfield.
Tackle his ass.
Nowhere
Yes,
to go.
let's
He
go.
lost
That's what we
the
need.
football.
I need Ibuka, whatever the fuck his name is, to do something for
They
me
go
here.
play action here on 1st down.
And I don't have an
Pressure
offensive
from his
line, I
right, and he's
forgot.
back on 2nd. One back in the backfield, he'll get the carry. Now inside the 25.
Let's go, Gilliard.
Roads here to that deficit. Escaping the pressure right.
Come on, Sanders. That's what we need.
After the touchdown a moment ago, as they start with a 1st and
Come back.
They tried to fit it in on the slant.
That's what we
and it's
need.
Intercepted. Marcus Jones.
It felt pretty one-sided to this point, but now, if these guys can turn this turnover into points.
Up the middle, here's Stevenson.
This is a crazy play, but I'm willing to risk it.
Here in the final minute of the third.
Bad play by me. I shouldn't have ran with Shador Sanders.
Trying to shake off the interception from the last drive. He'll look to
Again, Jones, Marcus Jones. Yeah, get juked, bitch. Get juked, bitch. That's what I like to see.
And it was backward into their own end zone, courtesy of the pick six.
And Brandon, how often do we hear offenses
six? So we'll see if they can take better care of the football this go around.
Yeah, and sometimes, partner, I think it's almost better
of them as we come up on a 1st and 10. Otten brings it in over the middle. Play fake. Mayfield. Mayfield with it once more.
That one away.
Now a give. Irving running right. They'll set up a throw. He finds out. Throwing. Mayfield.
They're running it, I think. Oh, they're not.
2nd and goal. Mayfield.
Now they're running it for sure. I need my guys to really fuck them up here.
And hit. They'll come out throwing here to start the drive. Being 1st down. Short pass.
Another injury? This is wild.
Here we've got an injured player. This a big play for both sides. What will we see here? 3rd and 4. They'll stick with the passing game as he looks to throw.
Fortunate just to get rid of it.
One of the reasons they're down is that inability, though, to stop the pressure.
To the receivers, and they weren't letting up as that play went on.
Steps away to his left. Got to try it here. He's back to throw.
Hunter Henry, please. Nice.
He's back to throw.
And lets us exhale a little bit. Now I expect them to call a couple plays in the huddle.
What a catch. What the fuck?
Back to throw.
Luka or Douglas is what I need. And neither one of them.
They'll look to throw.
Henry, please. Oh my god.
But as you and I both know, it's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Please. No way. This dude went off. He was the MVP of this game. Needs speed on him. 93 is not bad though. That was a very close game. I'm not even disappointed. Just hate my offensive line and do not like my defense except for Marcus Jones. But I could have definitely played better. I did try my best, which isn't bad. We had some good kick returns too. 107 yards. That's insane. Barely any punt returns, it looks like. 3 interceptions, 2 interceptions. Gilliard didn't do bad, almost 100 yards considering that was his first ever game. I definitely will be using him more.